on.
All right, we just had this T100 running, and Kevin's going to give her a kick, and if we get a good start, we'll take it outside and do a test ride.
Got to tickle.
And here he comes.
Good. Accelerate's fine, brake's fine, they won't go out of second gear.
So you got first, neutral, and second.
Yep.
No,
yep.
no third or fourth.
Now that I can get to. The throw is huge. I don't know what's wrong down there.
Well, the throw on the 500 is always huge.
Oh,
the question is what's wrong inside.
Yeah, it's a monster. It won't shift out of second.
Let's put it on the lift and
Yep.
shift it on the lift and see what we get.
Yep.
Okay, Kevin's got it up on the lift so we can turn the rear wheel. Very nice and loose. And let's do a little shifting and see what happens.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Okay, now that would be first.
That's it.
Okay. And go to second or neutral.
Neutral. Should be neutral.
Yep.
Second.
Second, okay.
Nothing.
Nothing.
I can't move it.
All right. That's interesting. You got a 2-speed bike. All right. Could be something as simple as the shifter plate in there, but we'll never know till you go into it. Okay. Turn that rear wheel. Let's see what happens here. Now that's fourth. That's neutral.
Okay.
Second. Third. Fourth. What it is the return spring here. It's not returning down to the center in order to do the next shift.
So it's got to go, you gotta almost kick it down.
Well, you kick it up, kick it down, then you'll get the next gear.
Okay.
So it's got a return spring in here
Okay.
that ain't returning.
Return it.
But it's rideable. So
Yeah, I'm going to tell him that.
Go ahead. If you want to hear it here, go ahead and roll that rear wheel.
Okay.
I'm going to go back
First
to
gear.
first gear. Second, neutral.
Yep.
Okay, now center this. Second.
Yep.
Center it. Third.
Gotcha.
Center it. Fourth.
Yep.
Center it. Okay. Okay, there's fourth. Center it. Yep. All right, so let's go down. Okay. And neutral.
Yep.
Yeah, this is very tight. I wonder if it's a matter of something being in here, like maybe somebody jammed an O-ring in here trying to stop a leak. The minimum thing you can do is take this off and find out if there's something behind here stopping it from returning.
Well, let's go ahead and do that. I don't mind doing that.
We got a 7/16 wrench.
Yep. Yeah, so
All right, we'll do
was
that.
on a budget, and this was not included with what he wanted to do.
I understand.
7/16? All right.
Yeah, let's take a 7/16.
There you go.
All right, so I got the lever off. I've just got I've cleaned all this looking for any kind of O-ring or anything in here. There's nothing in there, and you can just feel how tight it is. You hear it clicking? Yeah, so something's wrong inside. Sorry. Okay, so it's all back together, and the shifter, something's wrong in here, and this has to come apart, and hopefully it's just in this outer part of the shifter, outer part of the tranny. let us pray. If not, then we get to go inside the tranny. But yeah, unless you want to physically turn things back to neutral each time you shift, you got basically a 2-speed bike. All right, and that's the way it is.
That's right, yeah.